How many of you know what ChatGPT is?
Robots can talk for free.
There are things.
Nowadays, everyone's talking about ChatGPT. If you don't know what it is, are you genuinely living on the same planet as us? So I'm not even gonna explain what it is in this video, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna use ChatGPT in a practical way and try to actually make money off of this thing. So my goal is to use ChatGPT to write blogs for me, and then I post these blogs on the internet. From these blogs, I'm gonna get email addresses of potential customers and then sell them a course that I'm promoting for a client that I have. So that's the goal for this video, and I'm gonna give myself a time frame of 7 days. So let's see what happens. All right, so guys, I'm on ChatGPT right now, as you can see, and I'm entering in, write me a blog about how to pass PMP 2023 first attempt, and you're about to see the magic unfold. I'm telling you, this is crazy. I just enter that in, and boom. It's literally, I feel like it's better than me, honestly. This is some high vocabulary. This is it's giving me a structured, 5-step way to pass the exam. It's amazing. All right, so I have the blog post. Basically just gonna copy and paste it onto a blog, add some pictures, because ChatGPT is not able to generate images yet. Dude, I feel like this makes my life so much easier. It's crazy. Dude, I feel bad for any full-time people that write articles, because dude, imagine this thing in 10 plus years. It's gonna write better than the #1 journalist, probably. Considering the fact that artificial intelligence just grows exponentially, since every year there's constantly being more data fed in. Dude, in 10 plus years, rest in peace most of the jobs that require writing articles and stuff, because this thing will probably take them over. It's scary and cool at the same time. It's scary, obviously, for all the jobs that are lost, but it's cool because now we can become so much more efficient. This thing, writing this whole thing, would have taken me so much time, right? Okay, maybe it's not as good as what I would have written. Maybe. Actually, honestly, it could actually be better. I'm not the best at writing articles. But imagine, dude, I'm just scared. Imagine it in 10 years, man. Dude, honestly, I feel like the majority of jobs are gone in 10 plus years from this thing, man. So I feel like in 10 plus years, if you don't know how to properly use artificial intelligence, then you're gonna be wiped out, because everyone's gonna be able to know how to use it so efficiently, so that if you don't adapt, then you're gonna be kicked out, basically. And I think that's the future we're headed. So yeah, I'm gonna put this text into a website, and then we'll see what happens. All right, so guys, I just finished the website. Look how beautiful this is. And it didn't even take me that much time, because AI is coming in clutch for us. Oh, the one thing I did have to do by myself and not use AI was adding pictures, but that didn't even take that much time. I just Googled blah blah blah, popped it up and put it in. So that was super easy. And also, one more thing, this is some advice to you guys. If you're starting a website, especially blog or any sort of simple site, I'm not sponsored by these guys, I'm genuinely trying to help you guys, use Wix. I was using WordPress before. That shit was so annoying. I don't know how that website is still going. It was just the user interface was just, dude, just save your time and use Wix. Once I switched to Wix, I made this site in I spent half the time, and I had to, it just makes your life so much easier, and it's cheaper too. So now the next step is to figure out how SEO works. SEO, if you don't know what that is, it's basically how pages rank on Google. So when you search up things like, project management training on Google, the way you rank on the Google pages, make sure you're the first one that pops up, is through SEO, making sure your title has the right words, making sure your blog has the right words, things like that. So in order to optimize that, there's certain strategies. So I have to learn those strategies, because I've never worked with SEO before, and Wix actually has a course on SEO strategy. So I'm gonna use that course and watch a couple YouTube videos, and once I master SEO, then I'm gonna publish the site, and hopefully we get our first client. Let's see how it goes. All right guys, so I cannot stress how OP Wix is, bro. I was like, oh, I have to watch these SEO videos. I'm not really feeling like it. I got better shit to do. Actually, I don't. I should probably be watching them. But Wix actually has this thing called SEO Setup Checklist. And pretty much it gives you a step-by-step guide on like what you have to do. So you don't really have to watch all the videos and do all that. Like, no one's trying to watch SEO videos. I'm kidding, but it's honestly great. Also, a little unrelated, but I just want to thank you guys, dude. The channel is going absolute bananas, dude. 15,000 views in the last 28 days. That's absolutely insane. And only 3 videos. Like, I've only uploaded 3 videos on the channel, which is absolutely crazy to me. So I just want to thank you guys so much. Like, we're really growing fast, and thank you. Like, this is honestly a dream come true. All right, let's get back into the video. Hey guys, so I just checked and the blog has 22 views. Not bad, but I think a majority of them are myself. There's gotta be a few there that are real. And the sad part is though, is that no conversion rate at all. No one put their email in, so it's not looking good. This ChatGPT thing is not working right now. I'm gonna update some SEO stuff here and there, and hopefully we get some more traffic and more people that put in their email. If not, I guess this challenge did not work. This is the final day, so I'm gonna give it one more day and we'll see what happens. All right guys, so I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm not gonna be one of those fake YouTubers who, you know, put a fake email in to be like, oh, it actually worked to make the video better. I'm not gonna do that to you guys. I'm gonna be straight up. I got 0 emails put in. Look at this. It's just myself and the automated Wix one. Also, in total, we got 5 impressions. So we got 4 from the term IT exams and 1 from PMP Toronto. So that means 5 people saw it and 0 people put their email in. It's sad that this video ends on a bummer, but I think we learned a decent amount about ChatGPT. I don't think ChatGPT is at the stage where it can actually replace copywriters fully. I mean, if it would be able to convert those 5 people into people who put their emails in, but clearly it hasn't worked. I feel like copywriters are still safe. Like, everyone keeps saying, oh, copywriters gonna lose their job. Yeah, that might maybe happen in the future, but as of right now, I think the job is safe. Clearly, these pages are not converting. I think throughout the journey, I also learned how to actually set up a blog. I've never done it before. And by showcasing that journey, I hope you guys now learn how to actually do this strategy of creating blogs, getting emails, things like that. My goal of this was to actually help you guys learn how to actually do this. And yeah, we weren't successful, but I think maybe if we posted more blogs, then there would be a possibility that we would convert. So I did want to keep doing this in the video, but the thing is that I really want to upload this video this week. So what I'm gonna do is, if this video gets really good engagement, so if you guys like and comment on this video, I'm gonna keep doing this, and I'm gonna try it with a slightly different strategy and post more blogs. And maybe it might work, maybe it won't, who knows. If not, I think it was a good learning for us. Hopefully next time we actually end off in a win. Other than that, I'm gonna sign off. Hope you guys take care, stay safe, and work hard. Peace.